Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 5. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. For this showcase, we want you to create a flag for the Benelux Union. The Benelux Union, sometimes known as just Benelux, is a formal intergovernmental cooperation union between the neighbouring countries of Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg. There is no official flag for Benelux, but here is an unofficial flag that's been around for quite some time. It uses elements from the flags and coat of arms of the three nations. In our opinion, this is not a great flag, and we think you guys can do better. So we want you guys to create a flag which you think represents the common goals and aspirations of these three European nations who have strong historical and cultural links. You can use elements from the national flags and other national symbols if you want, or you can design something new from scratch. That's entirely up to you. If you're not familiar with the countries in question, we recommend doing some research, and this may give you some ideas for a design. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 5. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want your real name used, then use a nickname. Please also include the symbolism of your Benelux flag. The closing date for entries is May 7th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.